Hey guys, so in today's video I want to try out all of the Face Gym's techniques to really tighten and really kind of sculpt your face. As you guys can see, I have no makeup on and I'm going to start with my Bobbi Brown face base. I absolutely love this stuff and I'm just going to leave it on the skin so that it kind of will help when I start doing the movements. So I am putting on quite a lot because I want it to be quite slippy. So the first one is I'm going to start doing the jaw hooks. So what you want to do is you want to make a little hook with your finger like that. So start like that and then hook it. So you bring that one down, so you bring that one down and then you hook it. So you have just a little hook in this hand and you want to basically place that. So you can use your thumb and place that underneath the jaw and really just start gripping it up. Some people hold this part while they do it. I mean, either way you can. But I'm so excited, guys. It's gonna get very red in here, people, because my skin as well, I don't know about yours, but like my skin really reacts very quickly, and that's just showing like the blood that's moving around your face, which is really, really healthy. You want to snatch jaw, people. Okay. I mean, you can really do as many as you like. I mean, they probably suggest like 15, but I'm taking it all the way to the ear as well. Okay, that is warmed and I'm literally just going to repeat the same thing. So yeah, I've literally saw the Face Gym. I feel like it's a really big craze that's happened and I know a lot of celebrities have started using it and it is pretty insane. Like some of the results that you see, it's like wow. And especially like now in this age where like people never have double chins and you know, it's all about kind of Botoxing that jawline and so yeah. Sorry if my voice is shaking, it's just I'm kind of pressing on my vocal cord. But I'm trying to make sure that this looks really snatched. And also you don't have to go really hard, it depends. Like you can go like a medium kind of pressure. Okay, so we've done that. The next one, which looks so funny, if you see some of the videos on the Instagram, and it's the cheek whipping. What you want to do is take your finger and have one as your kind of whipping finger and the other one just kind of holding your cheek down slightly, and then you just start whipping. I mean, I have fairly big cheeks and I really hope this just gives a kind of lifted look, and it really puts the blood back into those cheeks to make them look more rounded, more sculpted. And I mean, you can do as many as you like, I'm sure. I'm also going to bring it slightly here because this is where my cheekbone actually starts, or here. So I'm going to bring it here. See all of that blood going to the cheeks now. Now that I've done that side, I'm going to literally just repeat the same thing on this side. Also, you'll start to feel little like tension points and kind of like knots, and if you feel them, just definitely go ahead and like rub those out. That's what I see them doing anyway. But yeah, you can sometimes feel like little knots. Can you see already how that is sculpting that cheek? That is crazy. That looks like blusher. I'm just gonna bring mine all the way up to the ear. Yeah, don't be afraid to go a little bit crazy. Okay, my arm is hurting now. So that is looking good already. On to the next move. They tend to do like a little hook down here, which you can really do. It's more kind of like your cheeks and this kind of zone again. So I'm gonna give that a go. So make another little hook with your fingers and bring it down. And then start from like the inner corners of your nose and then just bring it up. Yep. Also with this, you kind of want to do like a light pressure because when you bring it around here, you want to go quite easy around your temple. So it's just like another style of like hooking your cheek under. I would say that's one's not my favorite. It doesn't feel the most comfortable. I mean, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I feel like the whipping was easier for me to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna move on because that one didn't feel that great. So moving on, if you're like me and sometimes you find that your chin just can look a little bit it just doesn't always look as defined as maybe you'd like it. I think this one is quite an easy one, and I've actually seen a lot of people who have incredible results of getting rid of any kind of double chin or any kind of extra kind of flesh there, which you might not want. But remember, people, you do need a little bit of flesh to be able to talk and move, so please just don't feel down about that if you do suffer with like a double chin, or you feel like you have a double chin. You know, I remember my grandma always used to say I had a double chin, and it kind of like ingrained in my head. Okay, so here we go, and I'm probably gonna do as many as I feel like. So when you do this, I would go quite firm because you're slightly kind of pushing back any flesh here as well. It definitely, you know what, even if I don't see results straight away, it feels so therapeutic. Like, especially on self-care Sundays, like, you know what it's like on Sunday, you just kind of want to do a few little things to make you feel better, get yourself prepped for the week. I mean, you can do this every morning, every night, whenever you take your makeup off. I'm just going to take my hands now and just glide it along. This face is working. I can tell I am so red and hot. It's literally like a workout. Whew. Okay, we definitely have a lot of colour going on in the face, which is so healthy. It looks like I've literally been on a treadmill, which is amazing. Okay, so now I want to move on to the eyes and like the eyebrows. I'm just going to do a few little pressure points and just keep that up like that. So that it relieves any tension. And now I don't know if you guys have heard of like a lymphatic drainage. So basically you kind of have your own kind of drainage system going on under the skin of your face, and it's very, very, very close. The lymph glands are very close to the surface of your skin, so if you press too hard, you kind of upset the balance of that. So what you want to do is basically do very, very soft circles just around your eye. I literally watched a video on like how to be like sexy at 50. I don't know how I kind of went on to that, but this woman looked incredible, and she swore by doing like lymphatic drainage. So literally you could do like a dozen of these or as many as you want, and then you want to bring that down and drain it. So very gently down the cheeks, down here. And you'll start to like feel, as you do this is what's crazy about this, as you do this you'll start to feel like a slight drip in the back of your throat, and that's how you know it's working. So as you keep draining it down, go along the jaw, down the neck, and out into the collarbones. And you can just repeat that cycle. I usually do that twice at least. Now guys, I'm going to show you a side by side of what I looked like before I did all of these face movements, so that you can really see. And oh my goodness, I am shook. I can't actually get over the difference. Like, that looks crazy. Like, my jaw looks tighter, my cheeks look way more defined, and obviously there's a flush color, there's a red color going on. But that really just shows how my face and my muscles have really been working with these techniques. And you know, that is a natural glow that happens when you start working your face in these movements. So I love this. I'm definitely going to keep going, and as you can see, there's just such a big difference. That is the end of the video, guys. I hope that you learned something new. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm always around for the first hour when I post a video. I'll be around in the comment section, so go ahead, let me know if you like the self-care video and if you want more self-care videos from me. All right guys, take care, see you next time.